Hi everyone, welcome to my post. If you remember a couple of posts ago, I purchased a mystery pack from the Bonnie and Clyde's Etsy store. And when I opened that pack, to my surprise, there was lots of wonderful goodies. There were some appliques, there were some lace pieces, there was also some beautiful fabric. There was all sorts of different things. There was some paper, and there was also a postcard and some lovely things inside that I was so eager to make something with it. And this is what I came up with. I had a lot of fun making this. And yes, I, I used a lot of the fabric. I actually ran out some of the fabric. Some fabric pieces were too small, so I had to extend it. And luckily for me, I had some of my own fabric. It's a little bit thicker than the satin fabric that was in the pack, but I used that to make the basis of the pillow. But just the edge frill was actually from some fabric I've got from my own stash. Um, I've added the actually beautiful um, appliques that were in that packet, and they came on a piece of fabric. If you remember, if anyone had seen those posts, it was a bodice, and it had two beautiful big large appliques. And this is all that's left of the bodice. I unpicked all the appliques off of the bodice and used the fabric to make the pillow. And the actual appliques are actually here. They're along here, and there's one over here. Okay, it's a bit hard to see. And then I also used a lovely, the actual beautiful diamante applique that I had seen, and I've incorporated in here, and it came on the bust piece, and I've actually unpicked it. I couldn't actually use the bust piece because it had a lot of glue inside that, and it was all glued in, and it wouldn't fit into anything I could think of to make. So, but I reused all the lovely appliques, and these are the diamante appliques, sorry, and they all came like this. And I carefully unpicked it, and I stopped all the frame to make sure that the lovely beading won't come off. And there's a little trick to that. Bit of a tiresome trick, but it worked. It worked quite well. And those pieces, there was quite a lot of them all over that piece there. And I've placed them all along here, all on this area here, as you see. It's a little bit hard to see, so I bring it close to the camera so you can see. There we are. There was a lovely flower applique that I've placed here in the middle, and to fill all the spaces in between, because all the whole lot was hand stitched. I hand stitched all entire appliques. I stopped all the fraying of all the appliques. I've made sure that none of the little beads and crystal beads and diamantes would fall off, so I had to finish all those areas there, all done by hand. It's all hand stitched. And I've added the applique in the middle, which is hand stitched as well. And as a filler in between all the spaces, as I was joining all the appliques together, I've added all my lovely embroidery. So there's little embroidery pieces all around there as a filler in between all the spaces. And so I thought that'd be really nice as a pillow. The fabric, as I said before, is actually the fabric that the satin fabric that was actually in the package, as well as the back, the two pieces here. And of course I've tied it up with a bow, beautiful bows. The outside fabric is actually fabric from my own stash. It was an old bridal dress that my cousin was good enough to give me, and of course I edged it with some beautiful ruffled, well actually I ruffled the lace, so it's got beautiful couture lace around the edge to finish that off. So that's my pillow all done, and of course in the middle, because it's got the lovely beautiful diamante pieces that came with the appliques from the bust area of the dress, I added a lovely diamante brooch just in there to go with the pieces that you see here, the lovely diamante pieces, and it really is quite sparkly, and it's got pearls in it. It has a beautiful silver wired applique mesh part in here, the flower that actually came with the applique, attached to the applique. So it's all hand sewn, all embroidered, and I'm really happy with this piece here. I'm very proud of what I've created. So I hope that you like my post. Do pop over to Bonnie and Clyde's store. You won't be disappointed. There's lovely items yet to be purchased. So that's my little project share for today. Again, I'll show you the back. There's the back of the pillow. It's just two pieces folded over each other, and of course inside they're all interfaced, So they're all double lined inside it, as well as the front piece on the top. It's all completely double lined inside. So that's my project share. I hope you like what I've got to show you. Take care, and I'll see you very soon in the coming new year. So I want to say a very Merry Christmas to all my subscribers and my new subscribers. Thank you for joining, and a very, very happy, safe, and prosperous new year. God bless you, everyone, and a Merry Christmas. Bye-bye. See you in the new year. Bye.